Okay, this is a video on replacing valve stems in my Toro riding lawnmower I'm restoring. So I'm going to change the valve stem in it, and I bought this tire tackle kit from the local parts store. And so the kit came pretty stock with stems and the tool to take the stem out and pressure gauge and caps. Pretty good. Only cost me about $5. I think that was a good deal. So the first thing you do is screw off the cap, and I got my air hose here and pressure gauge. Once I put the stem in, I can check the correct pressure on the tires. There's a couple of tires on here that's low. This one and that was a spider right there I just stumped on. Sorry, spider, but you was big. And so yeah, so I thought about putting tubes in these tires, and I got to do that for one in the front right there. It's low too. It goes down overnight. And this one start airing down overnight. And so I might put tubes in these tires. I'm thinking about it, but yeah, I'm gonna screw the valve stem out right now. And when it's air in the tire, you got to catch that valve stem because it will shoot out of there. So be prepared to catch it, and it'll let all the air start coming out. And it's kind of hard pushing that stem in there. See how it shot out of there while that air is coming out of there. So you got to kind of put it on the tool. Yeah, see that air still coming out of there. So it's kind of, you got to hold it on that, sit it on that tool right there, and screw it in. But you got to get it in there first. It blew out again. The tires deflated down now. Yeah. I guess there's a method to putting it in there when the air is coming out, but it's easier to put it in when the air is out. Just screw it in there. And once it gets seated, just snug it a little bit. Don't torque it, but just snug it. That's enough. Maybe I did a little too much, I don't know, but that's enough right there. It turned a little bit more. Yeah, so that's about it. And now you inflate the tire back. And pump it up to the correct tire pressure. What's the tire pressure on this? What is it? I can't see it. I gotta put it up to what? Can't remember what it was. I'm gonna try to put it in the description. Oh, you can see it now. Yeah. Let's see what it is. It's like, what is it? About 15, 10, 15? But it's on the tire. It's on the side of the tire, telling you the pressure, the maximum pressure on it. You don't have to go straight maximum, but a little bit under. And here's the front tire. I'm gonna do the same on that. Same procedure as the rear. Yeah, pretty much. Trying to do this one hand and record. So it's kind of awkward, kind of hard to do that. But pretty much you get it's the same procedure as the rear that we just did. And just air it up to proper air pressure. That's it. And tighten it back up. I put the new stem in already, so tighten it back up. That's it. Well, I got to air it up. Let me air it up. It look like that one went to 20